Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to put some videos together side by side in CapCut. Let's get started. Open your CapCut app on your phone. Then you have to click on New Project right here and choose the videos that you would like to put it together side by side. And I'll go with this video and also this video. Just click on the video that you want to make it side by side, and after you choose your video, you can click on this collage option and you can choose the format that you like. And because I want to make it together side by side, I'll go with this format. Alright, and after that we can click on continue right here. And we can also change the ratio of the video by clicking on this ratio option. Yes, right here. And choose the ratio that you like, and I'll go with this YouTube ratio. And don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the ratio. And you can customize the video by clicking on this button. You can zoom out the video or zoom in the video. Just click on the video, then zoom in like this, and you can customize it as you like. And we can also adjust the length right here. And alright guys, that's how we can put some videos together side by side in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.